If you're looking for a super delicious alternative to the takeaway, you can feed your family for under £12 this week with my Chinese style chicken and rice. We're gonna make the sauce. It's dead easy, a mixture of soy, oyster, sesame oil and a pinch of sugar. Next up, we just want to fry off these juicy M&S Select Farm Oakham chicken thighs. We're not cooking it all the way through, we just want some golden colour. Then we go with our chopped garlic, ginger and chilli. This really is my ultimate speedy shortcut for all of that Asian cooking at home. Throw in the mushrooms. Now we get that sauce in. Pour that over our rice. That rice is just partially cooked. All that's left to do, whack that in the oven. And there you have it, that beats a takeaway any day of the week, and it comes in at under £12 to feed a family of 4. Get stuck into that.